Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty as a beginner. First, master your basic controls. Moving, aiming, and shooting are your core actions. On a controller, the left stick controls movement, while the right stick handles aiming. Always aim down sights for better precision when engaging enemies. Reload promptly when your magazine is empty. This is typically done with the square button on PlayStation or X on Xbox. Pay close attention to your minimap. It shows enemy locations when they fire weapons, offering crucial battlefield information. Your loadout is critical for success, influencing how you approach every match. Select a primary weapon, perhaps an assault rifle, and a secondary like a pistol for backup. Lethal equipment, such as grenades, are perfect for flushing enemies from cover. Tactical equipment, like a flashbang, can disorient opponents or provide safe passage. Finally, pick 3 perks to customize your abilities. These might include faster healing or silent footsteps. Experiment with combinations to find what works best for your personal playstyle. Understanding the map is just as important as your aim. Always check your minimap. It shows enemy pings when they fire unsuppressed weapons and objective statuses, giving you a tactical edge. Use the environment to your advantage, finding cover behind walls or objects to minimize exposure. Learn common flanking routes to surprise opponents or escape danger. Identify power positions, which are high-traffic areas or elevated spots offering superior sightlines. Controlling these can greatly impact the game and lead to more eliminations. To truly improve, consistent practice is key. Dedicate about 30 minutes a day to playing different modes, focusing on specific skills. Always prioritize the objective in modes like domination or hardpoint. Achieving these goals leads to victory. Use the in-game ping system to mark enemy locations or objectives, greatly aiding team coordination. Finally, stay calm under pressure. Panicking often leads to poor decisions. A composed player makes smarter choices, even in a 1 versus 3 situation. Keep practicing, and you will see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.